Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be doing my follow-up video for the Tronsmart mechanical gaming keyboard. Really excited for this. I've used it for the last couple days, really like it. Can't seem to find any sort of flaws with it. Really happy with it. They did send me this to review and I want to do a follow-up video actually showing it all plugged in and in action for you guys. So today I'll just walk through a couple of quick settings. There are so many things you can change online, macros, hotkeys, that sort of thing. So use that CD that came with this and you can customize just about anything on this keyboard. So today I'm just going to show you a couple of quick profiles. Here is how mine currently powers on and lights up. Really cool to see all the different rainbow colors kind of just scrolling by on the keyboard. Now we'll go ahead and we'll look at F5 and F6 as well as F10, 11, and 12. So F5 and F6 have a couple of different profiles saved we can cycle through, and I'll show you those. And then you can save 3 different profiles, one to F10, one to F11, and one to F12. So we'll go ahead and start with F5, just show you what happens. So the first one you change, it shows you it's all green now for the keyboard, which is really cool. Then we have, again, F5. It's showing now a bunch of different colors cycling through, which is awesome. We'll look again, we can see the rainbow effect again, just moving in different directions. Same thing again. Same thing, just faster speed, different variations. So really cool. They can just do so much with all the different RGB LED combinations. And then we're back to green. So that's F5. F6, this is cool. It lights up just the color of the keys you type. Should be the same again, but now it lights up the rows, which is awesome. So there's just so many different aspects you can do with this. So it's kind of like a ripple effect, which is cool. This is more of like a, I'd say like more of a blotch, which is awesome. This doesn't light up any of the keys over here, but your number pad keys light up, which is cool. Lights up the blue and cycles through. So now we're back to what we started with. So I'll show you a little bit of F10. Here's F10. You can see the pattern right here, what's lit up for you. Here's F11, same thing, a couple different rows lit up, really cool contrasting colors. And then we got F12. It's got some awesome colors and keys lit up in blue. Also wanted to show you really quick how cool the LEDs are on the side when they light up. So you can see both sides of the keyboard have awesome LEDs that flash and match the settings as well. So really, really cool. Really excited about that. Really happy with that. So yeah, really an awesome keyboard. Really happy with it. Go ahead, ask me any comments below. If you have anything, go ahead, check this out. Links in my video description below. Take it right to Amazon. You can order it there. And hit that sub button if you haven't. Hit the like button if you haven't. And I'd love to interact with you guys. You can tweet at me or just leave me some comments and I'll chat with you. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.